You need an indoor dryer vent that will save you money and provide the best possible air quality for your home. ADR Products presents the Better Vent, a made-in-the-USA product that utilizes an airtight chamber to trap dryer lint and other dust particles that would otherwise be launched into your laundry room.
My name is David Gregory.
And I'm Adrienne Sabati, and together we're founders of ADR Products. So who needs a better vent?
People like us who want something better than what is available.
Who are tired of messing around with the old water trap models.
People who want to save a little energy.
We feel sure that the Better Vent will be a benefit to homeowners everywhere.
Changing the filters is quick and easy. The indoor dryer vent easily mounts on the wall next to your dryer, making it easy to clean and maintain. For more information on the best indoor dryer vent, please call 888-609-5512 or visit adr-products.com.